I'm Jared Deanda, the voice of Formula Drift, and I'm here with Charles Woodruff, better known as Woody. You're the director of this driven experience, but what exactly is it?
Bottom line, we're taking kids out of the classroom and bringing them here to the track. I mean, you hear right behind me the excitement. It just changes their lives when they come out here and they actually get to see and taste and smell what is really out here and what is the opportunities. Our big word we use, opportunity. What are the opportunities out here for them in the automotive industry? Not everyone's going to be a driver. We have all the different brands out here, all the different companies, all the different jobs. So they're able to actually come out here and see and talk to people and see what was their steps and how did they get into this industry.
Opportunity to be able to see all the different cars, meet all the different people, and then just the opportunity to be here really great.
So we're here with UNOH with the Driven Experience at FD Orlando Round 3, and this is helping further the career and future possibility to go work with drift cars with Formula Drift. Hopefully, eventually one of these days, working on the cars that change the history here.
I would 100% recommend Formula Drift, the Driven Experience, to anybody and everybody.
Driven Experience, I actually get to come out here and see another Formula Drift event, which is amazing, I mean.
Yes, when we're bringing students from inner city out to the track, they've never been to a track, never been to an automotive motorsport events, and they get to see what's out here, the shiny cars, meeting great people. That just lightens them up to where at the end, when we're talking to them or we do feedback, they're excited and now they're looking to how can they get into the industry themselves.
Well, go ahead, start it up. Driven Experience.